Yes, students, let's do some crazy sums. So, this is the volume of some material. Obviously, it's like a cuboid. Okay, it's given. The density we have to find out. We have to find out the density of the material. Density is represented by rho, RHO. The weight is given 1400 Newton. Okay, find the density. So, students, how we can find the density? Can anyone tell me? So, how much is the weight? What is the weight, students?
1400 Newton.
One
140
one foot.
Newton. 1400. Okay. So students, you see how we can do it. Weight is equal to 1400 Newton. Take acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meter per second square. So weight of your object is always equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. That's
Acceleration due to gravity.
1400. So what will be the mass? 1400 divided by g. That
140
is
kg.
10. So this is equal to 140 kg. Very good. When you know the mass, how you can find the density? So density is equal to mass by volume. So what is the mass? Mass is 140 kg. Write down. What is the volume? This volume is in centimeter cube. We have to convert this into 56 into 100 into, we have to convert this is actually centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many meter cube? First you convert centimeter into meter. Centimeter is 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Complete cube, that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cube into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cube. Right, students? So this is equal to 140 divided by, you can say, 56 into 10 raised to power, this is 2, this is minus 6, so it becomes minus 4. So this is equal to 56. So 7 to the 14, 7 8 the 56. Right? 2 4 the 8, here 10. So it is 1 by 4 into 10 raised to power 5. Because 10 raised to power 4 minus 4 goes up, 10 raised to power 5 kilogram per meter cube, or this is equal to, you can take 110 from here. So 110 means 10 by 4. Okay, 10 by 4 will be 2.5 into 10. 110 is gone. 10 is per 4 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, students, you should increase your speed of calculation here. Let's do one more sum, students. Let's say the density of a material is 200 kilogram per meter cube. The G is 10 meter per second square. Mass is given as 10 kilogram. What is the volume of the substance? Please do this sum. So students, how we will do this? Just see. Now mass is 10 kg. Now you see, students, density is always equal to mass by volume. Mass is given as 10 kg. Volume is, we don't know. So density is given as 200 is equal to 10 by volume. So volume will be equal to 10 by 200. So this is equal to 1 by 20 meter cube. Okay. I think he told to find in centimeter cube. So volume is equal to 1 by 20 meter cube. This is equal to 1 by 20 into 10 raised to power how much? Centimeter cube. Anyone can say?
6.
Correct. 6 centimeter cube. So this is equal to how much? 0.5 into, can you say? Yes, sir. It is 0.5 into 10 raised to power 4 centimeter cube. That is equal to 5,005,000 centimeter cube. And that is the volume. Okay, students, do one more question. Hello students, please do one more question. The density of a substance, huh? Density of a substance is, let us say, 700 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, now there is another substance whose relative density is equal to 3, whose relative density is equal to 3. Please tell me by how much kg the mass of this substance is more than the mass of this substance. I repeat the question. Density is equal to 700 kg per meter cube of some material 1. There is another material 2 whose relative density is 3. Now my question is, by how much kg the mass of this material, second material, is more than first material? All the best. Do it. So one student is asking, what is the unit of relative density? See students, relative density does not have any unit, because relative density is equal to density of any substance divided by density of water. So it is given that density of this substance is 3. Relative density is equal to density of the substance divided by density of water. What is density of water? Anybody remembers? How much?
3 into 10 cube.
How much? What is the density of
Sir,
water?
it's 10
Yeah, so it is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So from this we will get what is the density of this substance is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 3 kilogram per meter cube. So students, if you know the density of this substance, that is, so rho 1 first substance is having this density, rho 2 second substance is having density of 3000 kilogram per meter cube. So can't we say that, maybe let us say if we take volume as constant 1 meter cube, then how much mass more this substance has as compared to this substance per meter cube? Can't you say?
So 2300
Correct.
kg.
Even if you take g is equal to 10 meter per second square, so you will get the mass of second substance, that is 3000 kg. What is the mass of first substance? 700 kg. So
kg meter cube.
minus m1 will be equal to 2300 kg. Okay. So students, I give you one more question. Let us say the relative density of a substance is 1. Relative density of a substance is 1, and the volume of this substance is equal to half meter cube. Please find out mass of this substance. Anybody can do? Okay. Please tell me. Relative density of a substance is 1. If the volume of the substance is half meter cube, what is the mass?
So 500 kg.
Correct. The answer is 500 kg. How you have done? Yes,
Sir, the relative.
Sir, five.
So relative.
relative
So
density.
the mass of. So the mass, the density of the substance and the density of water will be same if
Correct.
the relative density is 1.
1. So relative density is equal to density of any substance divided by density of water. As relative density is 1, so density of that substance is equal to density of water is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. We see. Okay, so density is given, volume is also given. We will find mass. Density is equal to mass by volume is equal to, so density is 1000 is equal to mass we don't know. We know volume is 1.